Hi, my name is Viplav Pandit, and this is my submission for Mosaic Wellness Fellowship in Marketing Builders Round. So basically, I build an ad intelligence tool called Scout. Scout tracks 31 competitors of Mosaic brands like Body Wise, Man Matters, and Little Joys. So it basically pulls out real-time data from Facebook ad library and gives actionable insight for the brand manager. So in coming few minutes, I'll be giving a walkthrough of how I have built it and what all Scout does and is capable of. Let's take a deep dive in Scout. After the initial animation, you have an option to select the brand you want to get insights for. Let's start with Man Matters. For this case, you can always switch the brand if you want. You get a competitive alert, what is happening in the market, if any competition has launched a new product which is a direct competition to any Mosaic brand. So for example, the Whole Truth has launched the Whole Truth Kids, which is a direct competition to Little Joy. So it shows the video or any update. If there is an article or any product launch, it just shows it here. So now I'll tell how you fetch the data. You just have to paste your API file key from your API file settings and write the brand names for which you want the data for, and it will generate the data. If you click on fetch now, right now I am out of credit, so this won't be working. If I had a fresh API key, it would have worked. Also, this is connected through Supabase. So here are the tokens pasted and hosted to Vercel. So it is all done in real time. If I upload the right API file key, I can also test my connection if the key is valid or has the credit. If I have a CVS data through uh, directly meta ad library, I can just paste it, or I can go to API file as well, and there I can run this particular script where I have pasted all the uh, Facebook pages of the brands I want the data for. I can just click on run and I'll just open any of the campaigns that I ran before. I can just get the data exported in CVS and upload it to Scout, and all the data will be updated. I also get the data status for brands for which I need to update the data. So this is how it works. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. So this is the weekly brief. Brief gives you the weekly idea what has happened in the week. For example, GNC has uploaded 100 new ads. What are the new campaign activities? What is the estimated ad spend, and all the data, which brand is doing how many influencer activities. So basically a whole brief of what is happening. So this is also a cool feature which shows the open opportunities, like only 14% of ads are influencer ads. So you get an idea what is happening in the whole ecosystem. You can also export this whole file as PDF. There is another cool function called compare. You can select uh, two brands. For example, I want to compare Body Wise with Dot and Key. It compares it with all these criterias like active ads, newest ad, multi-platform ad, how which is using dynamic ads. So you get an idea of comparison between two brands. If you want master insights based on all the historic data, you can click on view master insights and it shows you that. For example, the dominant emotional trigger is urgency in Man Matters ecosystem. So you get an idea about it. This is the competitor's intelligence system, which shows you which brand is doing most aggressive advertising, which is the format king, top three CTAs, and overall what is happening, like platform split, format split. So you get an idea what is happening overall. So this is Google Trends section. This helps you to get insights based on Google Trends. So what people search for Traya, for example, people are searching for Traya login and the search is by 160% plus. People are searching for Man Matters at 12:16 in the night, so it would be a good time for running ads. And you can search what people are searching for Man Matters and for competition as well. So looking at the creatives, this tells you what all ads are running or copies are running for a particular brand. So you can just select a brand and go on view ad. Since it is connected with real-time ad library, you will be able to see what particular ad is running. So till then, I'll show you the next feature. So this is ad copy analyzer and probably my favorite feature. So here you can see what are the emotional triggers in a particular ad. For example, Traya uses fear the most. So these are the power words they are using. Stage is correct, medication. So you can just get a sense out of it what is the particular messaging used by a brand. So this is the seasonal heat map, shows in which particular month people are spending more on ads or doing more ad volume. So more the green it is, the more amount of ads are done in a particular month. This is the influencer tracker. This is also a very cool feature. You can just click on Traya and figure out what all influencer campaigns they have done. So wait a second, it is loading. So you'll get an idea what type of content they are doing in influencer marketing. So yeah,
वाह बेटा तेरे बाल तो भरने लगे
this is an example of an ad that they have done, and you can get an idea what type of messaging is working. This is the budget estimator made using this formula, which is mentioned in the document I have shared, and with the explanation why I've used this particular formula. To keep this video short, I'll move to the next section, which is white space finder. It shows the insight for the brand manager that what can be done and what are the open opportunities. For example, in terms of CTA, try users learn more instead of just jumping into buy now or aggressive selling, which is an open opportunity. There is no influencer strategy for the man company. They are directly running behind getting targeted ads instead of influencer ads. Okay, so hopping on the next feature, it is ad fatigue detector. You can just view the ad which is like running from a long time and get a sense that what type of ads are working. Since it is connected with the meta ad library, you can just click on view ad and view the ad. This is also a very nice feature where you can see what particular landing page is promoted by a brand. So in 17 ads, Traya is promoting this particular form of theirs, and what Beardo is promoting aggressively. So you'll get a sense that what type of landing pages are promoted or what type of uh, products are promoted through these targeted campaigns. So all these features are functionable across all three verticals of Mosaic. So you can just click on the brand, for example, BWA device, and you'll get same insights for it. You can sort everything based on all these criterias as well. So number of dynamic ads, video ads, in last 90 days or 7 days, you'll have all the sorting as well. So this is how Scout looks like.